Hello, hi everyone, good morning all. Yes, how are you all? See, today is Wednesday. I am making this video on Wednesday and you will watch maybe on Saturday. So, today is raining outside. Are you enjoying this rainy day? Yes, today is the rainy day. Yes, and we all enjoy rain. We all love to see the rain. Yes, raining is very much outside. Yes, when you all were come to school, then we learnt many poems which is related from rainy day. Yes, in our previous lecture we have done this na. Rain is falling, chama cham cham, we all are dancing, dhama dham dham. Coffee, pakoda and samosas by rainy season, great delight. Children are making paper boats. Look at the people in raincoat. North, south, east or west. Rainy season is the bestest. Yes, rainy season is very much best season in all of seasons. Yes, so I am also enjoying the rain in the school campus, but you all are missing the rain in the school campus. Yes, okay, now today we already started our chapter 2. This is class second and chapter number 3rd. Okay, and what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is clothes. Yes, the name of the chapter is clothes. Yes, what is the name of the chapter? Clothes. Yes, so dear students, clothes. When you will listen this word, when you will hear this word clothes, what is the mean by this word clothes? Tell me what is the mean by this word clothes. जब आप cloth word सुनते हो, then question will arise in your mind. आपके दिमाग में question आता है, what is the mean by clothes? Why we are wearing clothes? है ना? So today we will discuss about these things. Number one, why do we need a clothes? Number one, why do we need a clothes? Okay, and dear students, when you used to come to school, then in the morning after taking bath, first what you wear? जब आप स्कूल आते थे तब सुबह में बाथ लेने के बाद सबसे पहले आप क्या पहनते थे? What you used to wear? You used to wear what? Yes, school uniform. Dear students, when you were come to school, that time you worn school uniform. Yes, if you are a boy, that time you worn the shirt with the matching trouser and the tie, and getting ready with neat clean clothes to come to school. Okay, and if you are a girl, then you have to wear the shirt with the matching skirt and tie. So this is your what? This is your school uniform. Okay, yes. So ये तो हो गई तब की बात, जब आप स्कूल आते थे तो आप स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनते थे. And that time school uniform was two types. Okay, first one, your regular uniform. This uniform you are wearing on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. These 4 days you worn this uniform, and that is your regular uniform. And 2 special days, Wednesday and the Saturday. This is decided for what? This is decided to wear your house uniform. Yes, these 2 days you worn your house dress. It means what? It means you are belongs from that particular house. That's why you worn that house uniform. Okay, as like all you, we teachers also wearing the uniform. Yes, the lady teacher has 2 type of sarees. First one, this red one, and second one is that blue one. Okay, that blue one we used to wear on Wednesday and Saturday. Okay, so this is about the cloth. So today our topic is cloth. Then first question is arise in your mind is that why do we need a cloth? हमें cloth की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? Why should we wear? हम क्यों पहने? Okay, so yes, clothes cover our body. Okay, why we are wearing clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and winter. Okay, see, clothes protect our clothes. We wear clothes to protect our body from heat. Yes, heat, cold, rain and winter, and insect bite also. Okay, insect bite also. Yes, so first question is that clothes protect our body from all the seasons. Okay, first we will talk the summer season. In the summer season we all are feels very hot. Okay, summer season we all are feels very hot. हमको सबको बहुत गर्मी लगती है. Why we are feeling hot? We all are feeling hot because sun is very hot during summer season. Okay, so we all are feeling very hot. So we wear which type of clothes, especially in the summer season, to protect our body from heat. Yes, so usually we peoples are wearing the cotton clothes. Yes, we wear cotton clothes to protect our body from heat, from sun. Okay, and cotton gives us what? Cotton gives us coolness. वो ठंडक देता है हमें. Cotton gives us coolness. Okay, when we wear cotton clothes, then we feel cool. When we feel cool. Okay, if you will go out for playing, suppose if you will go out for playing during summer season, then what? You will not feel good because of heat. Then you will wear, definitely tell to your parents, tell to your mama, please make me wear the cotton clothes, because cotton has the quality to absorb your sweat and heat. What is the good quality of the cotton? The good quality of the cotton is that to absorb all the heat and all the sweat. आपकी बॉडी में जितनी भी पसीना होगा, जितना भी पसीना होगा एंड जो भी हीट होगी, सूरज की जो भी हीट होगी, वो सारा का सारा एब्जॉर्ब करता है कॉटन. एंड यू विल नॉट फील very hot when you will go out in sunlight. Then you will not feel very much hot. Why? Because cotton keeps our body cool. Cotton keeps our body cool. Always remember this line. Always remember these two lines. First one is cotton clothes protect our body from sunlight, and cotton clothes protect our body from sweat and heat. Okay, cotton clothes protect our body from heat and sweat. Okay, when you will go out, so please wear cotton clothes, especially during in the summer season, or we can wear cotton in all the seasons, because we all are living in Nimar region and Nimar is very much hot area. So always try to wear cotton clothes. Okay, and second one is rainy. Yes, nowadays which season started? Yes, rainy season started, and in rainy season we all want to protect our body from rain. Okay, we all protect our body from rain, so we should use umbrella, raincoat and gumboots in the rainy season. Yes, these three things we all are using in rainy season. First one is umbrella, second one is raincoat, and third one is gum boots. Okay, yes, then we will talk about the winter season. Yes, winter season means which season? Yes, winter season means the season of cold breeze, ठंडी हवाओं का season होता है, and we all wants to protect our body from the winter. cold breeze, ठंडी हवाओं से अपनी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए we all are wearing what? We all are wearing what? We all are wearing the winter clothes. Yes, the names of the winter clothes are sweater, scarf, gloves, trousers and muffler. Okay, these are the, and when you will come to school, then you are wearing your blazers. Your blazer is your winter uniform, and your blazer is the part of your winter uniform. So in winter we want to protect our body from cold breeze. Okay, so we all are wearing the winter clothes, and winter clothes keeps our body what? Winter clothes keeps our body warm. हमारे बॉडी को बहुत गर्म रखते हैं विंटर में. Okay, and we all are eating what? We all are eating hot food. गर्मा गर्म खाना we all are eating in winter season. Okay, and now we will talk about these. In this chapter we will learn especially three things. First one is raw material for clothes. How we will get the raw material? What is the mean by raw material? Raw material means, raw means kacha, and material means what I can say in Hindi, cheese. Okay, cheese. Raw material means kacha saman. Okay, and the diversity in clothes. Diversity means people, those who are living in different areas, in different state, states of our country, they are wearing the different clothes according to their climate. Okay, once again I will repeat these things. Diversity in clothes. Diversity in clothes means pupils, those who are living in different areas, they are definitely wearing the different types of clothes. Why they are wearing the different types of clothes? Because the area which they are belongs, it is not to the according to their climate. So if I am, see, suppose if I am living in Nimad area, so I have to wear the most cotton outfit. Why? Because this area is very much hot. यहाँ बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है, इसलिए we people are wearing cotton clothes, especially in this area. Okay, when we will go in mountain areas, hilly areas, then what we will wear? Yes, we have to wear the woolen clothes, because पहाड़ पर mountain areas में it's very cold, बहुत ठंड होती है. Okay, yes, so we always wear different clothes according to different states and their climates. हम हमेशा हर जगह अलग अलग जगह के ड्रेसेस अलग अलग जगहों पर पहनते हैं, क्योंकि सब जगह का क्लाइमेट ऑलवेज डिफरेंट, हमेशा अलग अलग होता है. ओके, सपोज वी पीपल आर हैविंग द फूड हैबिट. ओके, वी पीपल आर हैविंग द फूड हैबिट अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टेट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टेट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर क्लाइमेट, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर फैमिलीज. हम सबकी अपनी अपनी खाने की हैबिट्स होती हैं, एंड दे habits we are getting from our family, they habits we are getting from our environment, they habits we are getting from our climates. Okay, जो खाने की जो habits होती है, we are getting from all these three things. Yes, first family, then environment or climate, and the place where we are living. खाने की हमारी habits इन सब तीन चीज़ों पर निर्भर करती हैं. ऐसे ही हमारी जो क्लोथ्स वेयरिंग हैबिट्स हैं, कपड़े पहनने की जो हैबिट्स हैं, वो भी इन सब चीज़ों पर डिपेंड करती हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज प्लेस वेयर वी आर लिविंग, सेकेंड वन अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर फैमिली रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस और क्लाइमेट. ओके, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टेट वेयर वी आर living, according to our place only. Okay, so here first we will see some pictures. This is the pictures of the clothes, and I gave you the work to paste the pictures of the clothes in your EVS notebook. This work I already have given to you for pasting in your EVS notebook. Now I am going to read the line number 1 for you. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Yes, it is very much correct. We always wear clothes to cover our body. See, suppose when you after taking bath, your mama gets you ready. Okay, after taking bath, your mama gets you ready. Then what you will tell? Oh mama, don't take out my towel. सब मेरा towel आप मत निकालो. Don't take out my towel. Why? Because my didi, my elder didi or my elder brother will what? वो मुझे चिढ़ाएंगे. Yes, I am feeling very shame in front of them. So don't take out my towel. First you make me wear the shirt or t-shirt or undergarments and shorts, then I will take out my towel. Otherwise I will not take out my towel, because if I will take out my towel then I will feel shame. मुझे शर्म आएगी ना. They will call me naked boy, naked girl. Okay, so clothes protect our body from heat, cold, rain and insect bite, and it is cover our body too. Then here this line you have to do the underline. Line number 1, we wear clothes to cover our bodies. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and insect bite. Okay, and this line number 3 you have to do underline. our clothing habit depends on weather. Yes, our clothing habits, it's completely depends on the weather. Suppose if we are living on mountain area, hilly areas, अगर हम पहाड़ों पर रह रहे हैं, then what we are wearing? Definitely we will not wear half t-shirt and shorts. Yes, then what we will wear? फिर हम क्या पहनेंगे? Yes, we will wear the warm clothes. हम गर्म कपड़े पहनेंगे. Why? Because we all are living in mountain areas. अगर हम किसी पहाड़ की जगह पर रह रहे हैं, किसी ऊंची जगह पर रह रहे हैं, किसी हिली प्लेस पर रह रहे हैं, then hilly place all पे हमेशा ठंड होती है. So what we wear? We cannot wear their cotton clothes. So then what we wear? We wear clothes, warm clothes. हम हमेशा वहाँ पर गर्म कपड़े ही पहनेंगे. Okay. And in our life some special days are there. First special day of life is what? First special day of our life is which day? कौन सा दिन होता है? Which day is the special day of our life? Yes, the answer is birthday. Yes, the answer is birthday. Birthday is the special day of everyone's life. Birthday is the most precious day, the most special day of our lives. हम सबकी जिंदगी का सबसे important, सबसे special, सबसे precious day is the birthday. Yes. So when our birthday will come, definitely we all feel very happy on that day. हम सबको बहुत खुशी होती है. We all are feeling very good on that day. Yes. And second one is our marriage date. Yes, when we will get married, then this day is also a very special day in our life. Okay, so we human beings are celebrating two special days, two special occasion on our life. First one is our birthday. Birthday is a very, very, very special day of each one's life. Okay, and second one is our marriage anniversary or our marriage date. Okay, so these two days are the most special day of our life. Okay, now here we will talk about some uniforms. Here we will talk about some uniforms. See in picture number 1, what you can see in the picture number 1. I will come in front of the camera. Yes, see picture number 1, an astronaut. Astronaut means pupil, those who are going in space. जो लोग space में जाते हैं, they called an astronaut. They called an astronaut. And second one is a chef wears an apron. If those people are doing their jobs in 5-star hotels or hotels, they are wearing the aprons. Okay, apron means the clothes which we are wearing on our clothes. Okay, and when we will wear apron, it means we are ready to cook. Okay, and third picture is a dancer wear a special dress. Yes, when we will perform any dance program, that time definitely we all wear the special dress. And the fourth one is the clothes of a fireman protect him. Yes, firemen also have the special clothes. Okay, yes, so I will talk more about these 4 special clothes. Okay, astronaut. Astronaut means the what? Who is going in space? कौन जाता है space में? The astronaut. In Hindi we called them Antariksh and Antariksh Yatri. Space means Antariksh, and astronaut we called in Hindi Antariksh Yatri. And when they will go in space, then they wear a special astronaut outfit. They will wear a special dress which called a space suit, okay. A astronaut wears a special space suit, okay. जो अंतरिक्ष में जाते हैं, स्पेस में जाते हैं, they are wearing a special suit which is called space suit. क्या कहते हैं उन्हें? We called it space suit. And people, those who are working in 5-star hotels or big hotels and restaurants, they are what doing over there? They are cooking food for the people, and they are wearing what? They are wearing the aprons. Why they are wearing the aprons? Why they are wearing the aprons? This question or definitely raise in your mind. Why they are wearing aprons? क्यों पहनते हैं aprons? Because when they will cook, okay, that time they will not spoil their dresses. That's why they are using the aprons. See, dear students, in our school, what is the name of that art and craft ma'am? I am forgetting. Sangeeta Vore ma'am. Yes, Sangeeta Vore ma'am. She always wearing the aprons. Okay, when you will go in the craft room, you found that your craft teacher is wearing the apron. क्यों पहनती है? Why she is wearing apron? She is not a cook. वो तो cook नहीं है. वो तो कहीं होटल में, रेस्टोरेंट में खाना बनाने नहीं जा रही है. Then why? फिर उन्होंने एप्रन क्यों पहना है? उन्होंने एप्रन इसलिए पहना है ताकि उनका यूनिफॉर्म खराब ना हो, गंदा ना हो. बाय मिस्टेक अगर वो कलरिंग करते समय कलर उनकी यूनिफॉर्म पे गिरेगा, देन डेफिनेटली हर स्कूल साड़ी, हर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म विल स्पॉइल. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई शी यूज्ड एप्रन. Okay, so whenever we will draw something, whenever we fill something, whenever we do the work in our kitchens, always try to wear apron. ऐसा नहीं है कि those people, those who are working in the hotel and the restaurant, they only wear the aprons. No, your mama can wear apron in the kitchen. You can, when you will cook, when you will make, when you will prepare Maggi for yourself, that time you have to wear the apron. Okay, apron means the attire which protect our clothes to what? To खराब होने से बचाते हैं. To make a, okay, if we will not wear apron while working in the kitchen or while filling the colors in any drawing, definitely we spoil our dress. हम पक्के से अपनी ड्रेस खराब कर लेंगे, गंदी कर लेंगे. That's why we all are using the aprons. Yes, and dance. Yes, picture number 3 is all about the dance. See, in different states has the different dance form. Okay, see, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, Bhangra, Lohni. These all are the types of dances, and when the pupil are performing any special dance, then they will wear the special dresses on that special occasion. Yes, all the dancers wear special dresses when they perform any dance in front of the people. Okay, see, suppose when our annual function is there, okay, when our annual function is there, we all are wearing the different clothes or special clothes according to our dance performance. हम सब अपने अपने डांस परफॉर्मेंस के अकॉर्डिंग कपड़े पहनते हैं उस टाइम. Yes, suppose if we are doing the western dance, then Definitely we have to wear the western outfit. If we are doing the Kathak, then we have to wear the dress according to that dance. Okay, when we are doing the Bhangra, then we have to wear the dress like dhoti, kurta, pagdi, or girls will wear the salwar and kameez with dupatta. So when we will perform any dance, then we will wear the special dress which is belongs to our dance form. Okay. Yes, then we will talk about the firemen. Your fourth picture tells you about the firemen. What is the mean by fireman? Firemen means the आग बुझाने वाला. Okay. Especially in the summer season. Summer season में हर जगह हर कहीं कभी भी आग लग जाती है. So that fireman is get ready with his fire van, and in that fireman always wear a special dress which is called fireman's outfit, and that dress is protect that fireman to what? किस चीज से प्रोटेक्ट करती है? From fire, आग से बचाने के लिए, अपने आप को आग से बचाने के लिए firemen are wearing these special clothes. Okay, so here I am going to read these two lines. First one is, some people wear special clothes. Some people wear special clothes that tells you what work they do. Okay, what is the meaning of this line? Once again I will read this line to you. Some people wear special clothes. कुछ लोग बहुत स्पेशल कपड़े पहनते हैं. That tells you that their work. और वो क्लोथ ही उनका काम बता देते हैं. See, suppose when you will see a doctor, what is the outfit of a doctor? What is the outfit of doctor? Yes, doctors are wearing white coat with stethoscope. So you can identify easily, yes, he is a doctor or she is a doctor. Okay, so if you will see a policeman, what is the uniform of a policeman? Policeman always wear the police vardi and the hat and one very big and strong danda they are having in their hands and the pistol inside their pocket. Okay, when you will see all these things, okay, when you will see all these things, who is wearing a man or a woman, it means what? You can identify easily. Yes, he is a policeman. He is doing job in police. Yes, वो पुलिस वाला है भाई, पुलिस में काम करता है. So you are talking like this. No, don't talk. मस्ती नहीं करना, शैतानी नहीं करना, पुलिस वाला आ जाएगा. So how you can identify he or she is a policeman or she is a policewoman? How you can identify? You can identify by their uniform only, by their clothes only, and their clothes called uniform. Okay, suppose when you will see a nurse, what is the outfit of a nurse? Nurse always wearing the white uniform. Okay, and small head cap on the head. Okay, and what? Nurse is taking care of the patients. What is the job of a nurse? A job of a nurse is to take care the patient. Okay, whatever prescription has given by the doctor, that is followed by the nurse only. Understand? What is prescription has given by the doctor, that is followed by the nurse. जो भी दवाई आपको, जो भी इंजेक्शंस, जो भी मेडिसिन्स डॉक्टर देता है, उसको फॉलो करने का काम नर्स करवाती है. So when you will see a lady which worn the white outfit with the headband, it means what? You can identify, yes, she is a nurse. And what is the uniform of a lawyer? Yes, lawyer always wear what? White shirt, white pant, white bow and the black coat. So this is the uniform of a lawyer. It means how, if you will see a man, if you will see a woman on this attire, you can identify the man and the woman there and there only. Yes, she is a lawyer. Yes, she is a lawyer. वकील है वो, वकील का जॉब करती है. How you can identify? You can आपने जाकर उनसे पूछा कि आप क्या काम करती हो, आप कहाँ रहती हो, आपका क्या जॉब है? नहीं, आपने इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं पूछा. आपको कैसे पहचान आया कि ये वकील है या ये डॉक्टर है या ये पुलिस है या ये नर्स है? कैसे पहचान आया? आपको पहचान आया उनके यूनिफॉर्म से, उनके आउटफिट से. जो कपड़े उन्होंने पहने हैं, उनके यूनिफॉर्म को देखकर आपको पहचान आया. यस, शी इज़ अ नर्स, शी इज़ अ लेडी डॉक्टर, ही इज़ एन पुलिसमैन, ही इज़ अ लॉयर, ही इज़ अ सोल्जर. सो we can identify the people, those who are working in different areas. They are wearing the different uniforms, and we can identify them by seeing their uniforms. Okay, so all the pupils are wearing different clothes. In India the women are special wearing the sari. And sari is our national outfit for women in India. Okay, sari is the national outfit in India for women. But we women are not wearing the same kind of sari in all over the India. We women are wearing the different kinds of sari according to our state, according to our cloth habits, according to our place and our environment. Okay, yes, so this is all about today's lecture. In our next lecture I will tell you how we can get the thread, how we can get the thread, हमें धागा कैसे मिलता है, how we can get the raw materials for clothes. कपड़े के लिए हमें कच्चा सामान कैसे मिलता है और कैसे कपड़ा बनता है. We will discuss about the entire process of the raw material for clothing. Okay, so in our next lecture we will learn about the raw materials for clothing. So I am giving you a little homework. When you will watch this video, then only you will sit with your book, with your all these stationery items like pencil, rubber, sharpener and eraser, and whatever I told you, you have to make it underline. You have to make it underline. Whatever lines, whatever words I told you, you have to make it underline those lines and those words. In our next lecture we will learn about the raw materials for clothing. कपड़ा बनाने के लिए हमें कच्चा मटेरियल कैसे मिलता है. I will teach you how we can get the thread with the help of cotton. कॉटन की हेल्प से हम धागा कैसे बनाते हैं we will learn. I will make you learn all about the raw materials and the clothing. So it is over from my side, but when you will watch this video, please read this chapter carefully, and I am giving you a little homework, a few work to do at your home. Before watch the next video, you will read this paragraph, raw materials for clothing. Okay, and get ready, sit with some cotton and do the practical along me, with me, do the practical, then you will get the cotton, how we are getting the cotton. Okay, and one more thing, see, okay, after the raw material I will give you that work. Okay, So you will discuss little points with your parents. Is that first one is cotton and the cotton clothes, second one is wool and the woolen clothes. Okay, you will discuss about these 2 points with your parents, and I am waiting for your videos. Okay, I gave you this homework in my previous lecture. You have to make the one bowl sprouts. Okay, so it is enough from my side. We will meet in our next lecture. Till that lecture, bye bye, have a nice day, enjoy rain, and keep watching videos and complete your all the work whatever your teachers are giving there and there only, so you will not get any extra burden on you. So till that next lecture, bye bye, have a nice day, enjoy the rain, bye.